it was kind of weird being in there. I felt like it was like being in a library.
Yeah, it's hush voices. I don't even want to bother anyone who might be enjoying some good literature.
But we did spend $492.
We did. We spent our money.
We did, yes. I'll pay for our sex toys.
Yeah.
Cooking utensils.
Same thing.
Cooking.
Same thing. Nice car.
Thanks, man.
Smooth ride.
Yeah.
Got a good amount of space. Air conditioning. Yeah, no. It accelerates. Got good brakes on it. And the color.
Oh, I'm tired of talking about the car. Wait, just do a cut that's just like me looking over and then I'm gonna scream, okay? Ah!
Ever pick trumpet back up?
No.
Put some music on?
No. I don't listen to music.
No?
No.
Is it like it's an issue from your past? It's like, I don't listen to music because I don't play trumpet anymore?
No, well, that had to do with, trumpet had anything to do with me listening to music.
So what do you do in the car?
I think.
Like with long drives?
I think.
I'm just thinking about.
It's my business, not yours.
Wonder if the human body would be a lot more efficient if our lungs were designed differently. You need the most air when you're running, right? So what if instead of like lungs, we had like a hole? And if it actually could go through you, you could just absorb the oxygen right then and there. And the faster you run, the more oxygen you need, which is great because the faster you run, the more oxygen you need, right? Gills. What if that's what fish do? Fish do the same thing. Fish do the exact same thing. What if you didn't need, like, the nose is like such a singular use thing? It's two holes for one thing. Why do you need two? Maybe you never breathe through both anyway. Your sinuses are always blocked up on one of them. What if we use the other side for, like, storage? And the sinuses are a lot bigger than you think they are. And half the time you don't even need that much air through them because you're only using one side. Put like a credit card up there.
You hungry?
I'd take a snack.
Yeah, I got snacks. I got snacks.
You brought some snacks?
Yeah, I got snacks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, if it was a bomb or something, I would have set it off so fast.
Pickles.
Yeah, sorry,
All right.
leaking a bit.
What kind of pickles? Dills.
It's either pickles or this.
What is it? Are you sure you don't want to just pop on some tune? Just, you know, so
No.
it's not completely silent?
Stop asking.
Well, just like, I don't know, all we hear is wind and the road.
Music, it serves no purpose. If I'm listening to something, it serves a purpose.
Thanks for bringing the pickles.
Yeah, I was hungry. I wanted to take a little bit.
Amy sent us on the mission. We've got a mystery box.
What's in the box? You know that movie?
No, what movie?
What's in the box? If the head's in the box, like in the movie where he goes, what's in the box? And his wife's
I
head's
haven't
in
seen
the box.
what's in the box.
Hold on, I have to go on the other one. Bear country. What kind of bears are we gonna count?
Black bears.
Black bears?
Yeah. What do you do if you see a bear?
Yeah, that is a real danger out there.
This might be punishment for peeing in the Brita filter. I don't know if she knows.
I don't think she knew.
She doesn't even know about the hole in the wall.
Still. After
Yeah.
all this time.
Yeah, she's usually got like great attention to detail, but in this case, she just wasn't paying attention. So I don't think she paid attention. I mean, we're great at hiding stuff.
We are.
Yeah. I do know that drug deals predominantly happen in grocery store parking lots.
True.
Yeah. I haven't done one myself, but I've read a lot of articles.
What?
Man, life is really boring.